Well, I want to understand something more of the media activist culture. I am not satisfied by the idea that media activism is only a political way of creating more information. I think it means something more difficult to understand. The experience of media activism by the point of view of the production of subjectivity. This is my problem. Production of subjectivity is not only political fight, is not only political organization, is something much deeper, is something much more complicated, and this is what I want to understand. I think that the main task of media activism, of artistic activism, is to understand, to interpret, to express what is hidden in the daily life, is to transform daily suffering in subjectivity, consciousness, political expression, solidarity. This is the real task of media activism. Well, in my experience, in the experience of the free radios in Italy, for instance, the starting point is a situation where people are overwhelmed by a white noise of information coming from everywhere, screens in the street, TV in the house, the bosses crying in your ears when you are in the working place. This is the daily life of people. We don't speak, we only are forced to listen. And we only can answer yes, yes, yes to advertising, to the boss, to the family, and so on and so on. Well, the starting point of social liberation and also of personal liberation is the creation of an active relationship of communication. Create your own media. This is not television, radio, internet. It's saying no to the boss, saying no to advertisement. If you have the ability to say no once, then you start to be a medium for the others. Then you are communicating something to the others. For instance, the main problem today is the problem of hyperconsumption. We don't live, we don't have time, but we can go to the outlet and buy. What is well-being? What is richness? What is wealth? What is happiness? Happiness is not having and having and having. Happiness is being, is the ability to look at the others, to speak with the others, to be a medium of freedom in a very basic, in a very elementary, in a very daily way. This is the meaning also of direct action. Direct action is say no. No is the beginning of yes to life, yes to freedom of living your time as your time.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay.
Like this.
Thank you very much. Thank you, before.
This is cable TV.
Yeah.
I understand. In Osaka.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.